In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Brother MFC-J1205w printer. There's 3 different ways on how you can do a reset, and I'll be following what Brother recommends on their website. So you have a machine reset. Machine reset will only reset the date and time. Then you have a network reset if you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi network of the printer. So every device that have been connected to your printer will be disconnected and you'll need to start fresh from the beginning. And finally, you have all settings reset, which is a factory reset, completely deleting everything. The printer will be as new. I'll show you how to do a network reset and also how to do the all settings reset, because I don't think many people just want to reset the date and time. So let's start with the network reset. Go on the control panel on the left side of your printer. You need to press the Wi-Fi button here and the stop button both at the same time, like this, and then press the color copy button 2 seconds. 1, 2, then release. All the lights will be lit up, and now you just have to wait about 5 seconds. You'll know that the network reset has been completed when the power button light right over here stops blinking. Okay, you see it stopped blinking, and usually after you do this, the Wi-Fi light will start blinking. This means that the printer is in pairing mode. So go ahead, download the Brothers app and connect to your printer, and you'll be set up. Now, how do you do a factory reset? Well, it's almost the same. So you'll need to press the power button here and the monocopy button both at the same time. And now press the color copy 2 seconds. 1, 2, then release it. Same thing, just wait until the power buttons stop flashing. Usually in 5 seconds should be done. So this is it. After you've finished, your printer is fully resetted. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.